Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here and run through the trade with you on this 30th day of March, 2026. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here's a trade taken in the room today. So if you've been with us any length of time, you'll recognize our strong candle indicator, a little triangle saying go ahead and take this trade to the top of the screen long. See this one right here said take this trade short to bottom of the screen short, which we did too. Could have used either one of those trades for trades of the day. But I love it when the market makes a big move in one direction and then suddenly turns around and we get this amazing strong candle going in the opposite direction. So we just need this to push down a little bit, get one additional failure, and then we'll take this towards the top of the screen. Now we look at the PVI. I expect the next candle to be anywhere between 130 and 150 ticks long. So we'll go to our ATM. Then we'll go for a 20 tick target, and then we'll have runners of 50 and 100. And we'll de-risk the trade once our 20 tick targets hit, and then see if we can catch our runners. And here's how it all went down in the room today. So we're going to buy, start it up, flash me a little red, which it did. And now we're all set. The only thing you control is when you get in and when you get out. So uh, here we go. Just make sure you get in the proper way. Very nice retrace on that. Now, when we get picked up, first thing we do is put our risk where it belongs. Boom. So we just take this, put it down on last major failure point, and just wait for our first target to get hit up here. Once it does, you'll see the risk will go all the way from there, and I'll watch what happens to the stop. The stop comes all the way up to minus 18. We're in a break-even position, so no matter what happens from here on out, we can't lose any money. So let it do what it's going to do. We could speed it up a little bit. If it does come back and take us at a break even, we have the option as to whether we want to re-enter the trade or not. All right, now we'll re-enter. Boom. And again, we just start the process over again. The reason we do that is if it's turned around and decided to run short, we want to protect ourselves against that. So we just de-risk the trade. And again, we'll see if we can get our 50 tick and 100 tick targets running. Boom. Now we can't lose any money. And now we just wait and see if we can hit our larger tick target. Doo-doo-doo. We just got our feet propped up. We're cheering the market on, going, go, go. Doesn't look like, there you go. Boom, it's out. That particular trade took about a full 5 minutes. Now we entered twice. Normally it's a $970 profit or $955 profit, but now because we entered it twice, it's a little over $1,000. If you want to divide it into two entries, then you made $500 per entry and in less than 5 minutes. So if you want to learn how to make close to $1,000 in 5 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com. We look forward to seeing you in the live trading room very soon. God bless you, and we'll see you next time.